Click on File and New. Select Template and click on Create. This PSD file link in description box. Right-click and flip horizontal. Click on Background Layer, Adjustment Layer, and Solid Color. Select Brush Tool. Make foreground color black. Create a new layer. Right-click on the artboard and change brush size. Adjust the roundness. Hardness around 45%. Change brush size 400 pixels. Single click here and change hardness round 65%. Change brush size 350 pixels. Add some shadow details. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font name Roboto. Font style medium. Font size 65 point. Change text color. Select color and press OK. Follow the process. Hold down Alt and drag. Double-click on text. Change font style medium to light. Hold down Alt and drag. Double-click on text. Font size 28 point. Select Rectangle tool. Increase corner radius. Stroke 2 pixels. Select Horizontal Type tool. Font style regular. Hold down Shift and click on text. Hold down Ctrl and select both layer. Create group. Select Horizontal Type tool. Press Ctrl+A. Font style regular. Click on Center text. Select Rectangle tool and follow the process. Stroke 2 pixels. Select both layer and align. Select Rectangle layer and click on Layer Mask. Select Brush tool and make sure foreground color is black. Follow the process. Click and hold down Shift and again click here. Select Horizontal Type tool. You can place your logo here. Select both layer with holding Shift. This is the final result. I hope you liked this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.